Here are the top 9 best resources for project managers. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina and this is Cultivated Chrissy. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my top 9 best resources for project managers. So if you're into that, then make sure you stay tuned. Let's jump right into it. In no particular order, let's jump right into the first recommendation, which is going to be podcasts. For me personally, I love listening to podcasts. There's so many different kinds, so many different subjects, and so much to learn from different professionals across many different industries. For me, I loved listening to podcasts on my way to work. When I used to work in an office before working remote, and I would also listen to them, of course, coming back. And there's just so much information, again, that you can learn from these different professionals. You're getting real life application of project management methodologies, challenges that they came across, different things from real people, right? Real project managers. So I absolutely love podcasts. My 3 recommendations for podcasts that are project management related: I loved listening to the PM Happy Hour. That's a great one, especially for beginners. PMI's Project Management Institute, they also have a podcast called Projectified, so you definitely want to check that out. And you can't go wrong with the Manage This podcast, and I'll leave those down below. But make sure you go ahead and check out those podcasts. Great way to get some project management information and hear real life application of those different methodologies from real project managers. My next recommendation are books or audiobooks, whatever suits your lifestyle. I would also listen to audiobooks on my way to and from work, right in the car. A great way to get some information in. But of course, right, reading is fundamental. There's so many different kinds of books, as we know, and many books on project management. So you wanted to go ahead and check those out. You can, if you have an iPhone, the Books app, or Kindle, all of those things have great books for project management. And reading really helps you to be well-rounded as a project manager, but just as a person as well. So you want to read books that talk about leadership, that talk about managing teams, of course, project management related books, right? Books about communicating with people and negotiating with people, all of those different things. I have tons of different books that I've listened to or read on those different subjects, right? So make sure that you're being well-rounded and dabbling into different types of books and trying to make yourself a whole person, right? Reading things that really make you well-rounded and hone in on the skills needed to be a project manager, not just the technical skills, but those soft skills. And I have a video all about the skills needed to be a project manager, so I'll go ahead and link that. But you want to make sure that you're making sure you're well-rounded, right? And reading is a great way to do that. It also improves your writing skills, your reading skills, of course, presenting, all of that. So it's definitely something that you don't want to skip out on. Make sure that you guys are reading. So my next resource is going to be the Project Management Institute, or PMI. I've mentioned them previously, but you want to use the resources that PMI offers. They offer some free things on their website, like lots of different articles that different project managers in the field have written. A lot of times if you Google something project management related, one of the PMI articles will pop up. So definitely check out their website, look into the articles that they're giving you for free. And you can also become a member of PMI, and you don't have to have a PMP or a CAPM in order to be a member. But if you do that, you're able to access projectmanagement.com, which is kind of their learning center, and you're able to see live webinars as well as on-demand webinars, again, across so many different industries. They have healthcare related webinars specific to project management. They have webinars in IT, all of these different fields, engineering, anything you can think of. PMI has a training on it. In addition to just the regular kind of waterfall project management methodology, you can also get trainings there on Lean and Six Sigma. All of that is on there. So a great resource for project management knowledge. Definitely check that out. And speaking of that, I know we talked about books in the previous resource, but a great place to start is the PMBOK, which is the Project Management Body of Knowledge. It's definitely a roadmap, right, on how to do this job successfully. And everything is not one-to-one. You'll learn that as you are in the field. You don't need to do everything that the PMBOK says, but it's a great place to start. And you'll have access to that, again, as a member of the PMI group. You can also just pay for it. Even if you don't want the membership, you can purchase that book. I believe we're on the 6th or 7th edition. So you want to make sure that you check that out as well. And as far as membership, this is something that if you frame it well, and we talked all about framing in my very first video, right? If you frame it well, this is something that you can get your organization to pay for you, right? You can tell them that in order for you to do your role successfully, whether you have the title or not of project manager, you know, you're trying to increase your knowledge, and this website, right, this resource has a number of different things that you can access to help you hone in on those skills. And so, you know, you can agree to do 3 trainings a quarter, or, you know, 1 training a quarter, all of that, definitely to help you hone in on those skills and be able to do your role better. So if you frame that in such a way where it's beneficial to the organization as well as yourself, your organization may be able to pay for that membership for you. So look into that. Definitely something that you'll want to do, help you save some money and make sure you're getting the growth that you need. So the next resource is YouTube, of course. I mean, I can't do this video about resources without talking about YouTube. YouTube offers so much, right? YouTube University, that's what we call it. And there's so much information there about project management. My channel is one of those resources. I personally have very beginner friendly videos on my channel about project management, and so much more to come, including some day in the life videos. So make sure if you're interested in that, you subscribe and stay tuned. But there's so many different videos out there, learning from initiation to close, all of the different phases. So make sure you check out YouTube. There's some great channels. Project Manager is a channel. They have really short videos that kind of get to the point and give you a lot of information. Adriana Gridler also has some videos, Batal in Motion. There's so many different channels, so definitely check them out. Again, as well as my own, I have some videos on there and more to come, okay? The next resource that I'm going to talk about is checking your company, whoever you work for continued education courses. I personally worked for an organization. It was a large organization, and so check that out, especially if you work for large organizations. They may offer continued education courses. For me, like I said, I worked for a company that had this particular department, and I was able to access project management courses, leadership and management courses, courses about conflict resolution, courses about communication skills, computer skills, all of those types of things. So it may be something that your company offers, so make sure you ask questions and check that out if it's available to you. You don't want to not access that if it's available. And most of the time it's going to be free as an employee of that company. So definitely check that out. Now, if your company does not offer courses, or if they do and you want to do something in addition to that, Udemy is a great resource, as well as some other websites like that, where you can access courses, right? You pay a small fee. Sometimes with Udemy, I know it's like $12 or $15, sometimes more depending on the season. And then they also run sales on the website, but you can check them out because they do offer project management courses, courses in Excel, courses in leadership, conflict resolution, all the things that I just mentioned that are offered sometimes with your organization. You can find it right here on websites like Udemy. So check them out. Again, something that you could probably get your organization to pay for. With my department, they were willing to kind of set up an account for my team, and you know, we can kind of access and pay for different courses as we needed it under one account. So definitely something to check out. Again, if you frame things well, you can get a lot. So make sure that you do that. That could be potentially an option in a way for you to access those courses for free for you. So check out Udemy. So the next resource that I have to mention is talking to other project managers, okay? Talk to your peers. Talk to the people that are in the work, doing the work on a daily basis, right? You can find other project managers at your organization. I definitely had people reach out to me when I was working at that hospital. They were on totally different teams and departments, but they can see that I work in the business and I work at their company, and they were able to reach out to me and ask me questions. So you can do that. You can find people at your organization. You can go through LinkedIn and find people, ask for informational interviews, right? Which is just you meeting with them for a cup of coffee or online and just asking them about their day-to-day, right? How are they doing their job? What do they love or hate about their job? Make sure you do the work for those interviews. You come up with great questions, right? You're responsible for facilitating that conversation if you're asking that. But talk to other project managers, okay? Real life advice from real people that are doing the job. You can't beat that, right? So that is my next best resource for getting project management information. Now, I'm excited for this next one, okay? I absolutely love going to conferences. Now, conferences are really a lot of the things that I mentioned previously all in one, right? You get to network with other project managers, you get to learn different things in different classes, right? You have a number of different classes that you attend or can choose to attend in a conference, and you're learning from real life people who have done it. You're listening to case studies. There's so much things that you can do at a conference, and I absolutely love them. Again, something that you can get your organization to pay for. I got a whole trip to LA sponsored by my company. I went to a conference held by the Project Management Institute. You can go on their website. They have a lot of different conferences coming up. So check them out, or different project management companies that are holding conferences. You want to check those out, read the description, and use that to justify why going to that course or going to that conference is going to add to your skill set, right? What are the courses that they're going to have available, and how is that going to help you do your job if you attend them? And again, if you can frame that well, you may be able to get that sponsored. Definitely a great resource. There's a whole bunch of different project managers there and people in other roles, and you want to network with those people, learn from those people, and so conferences are a great resource as well. So my next resource, I think, is the best resource, and that is to practice, right? You learn by doing. The more you do, the more you learn. And just like with these YouTube videos, right? I'm still growing, right? I'm just really starting off, but with each video I learn so much more, and I hope to be learning and growing in every video that I do. And it's the same with projects, right? The more projects you do, you'll go through those growing pains, those learning curves, but the more you do, the better you'll be, right? You get better with time. So make sure that you're practicing, and it can be small things, right? Start small. Plan a party, get together with you and your friends, right? If you're redecorating a space in your home and you're going to be using contractors and things like that, those are projects. So think about things in your life that you're doing from start to end, right? Again, parties, redecorating your home. I did this for my wedding, right? I created a charter, a full project plan, all of those things. So do the work, put the steps into action, and you'll get better with time. Those are my top 9 best resources for project managers. If you have some additional resources that you found to be helpful, then tell the class, comment down below, share those with us. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more videos on how to master the role of a project manager. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.